Hello my darlings, for this video we're going to make cinnamon rolls. 1/2 cup butter, 1/2 cup milk. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Melt the butter with the milk in the microwave or on the stove top. 2 1/4 teaspoons yeast, 1/2 cup warm water. Mix together. 1/2 cup sugar. Mix 3 eggs one at a time. Mix to combine. Pour butter and milk mixture. Change into a dough hook attachment. 4 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. Start the mixer on low speed. 1 1/2 teaspoon salt. Increase the mixer speed to medium. Knead until the dough doesn't stick to the sides of the bowl. Lightly grease or spray another bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and let the dough rise for 1 1/2 hours. One 1/4 cups packed brown sugar. Mix with 3 tablespoons cinnamon. Punch down dough to relieve your stress, to remove excess air. Make an egg wash with an egg and a splash of milk. Brush the egg wash all over the dough. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar all over the dough, leaving the topmost part. Roll up the dough and pinch the edges. Lightly grease a 13 by 9 inch baking pan. Cut the dough into 12 pieces. Let it rise for another 1.5 hours. Now it's ready to bake. Preheat the oven to 176 degrees Celsius. Bake for 25 minutes. For the cream cheese frosting, we need 1.5 cup cream cheese, 3 tablespoons butter, 1.5 cup sifted confectioner sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla, mix until smooth. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try my recipe, and see you on the next one. Bye!